Hi friends, we meet again. My pleasure to have you here to have fun in my happy kitchen today. Friends who like to eat Korean fried chicken, today we are going to make the Korean fried chicken hot sauce recipe I bought from the supermarket. This fried chicken hot sauce can be used for 400 grams of chicken. Because I only prepared 2 pairs of chicken wings, hence I will only use part of it. Remember to follow my channel and save the recipes, otherwise I'm afraid you won't be able to find me. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Let's fried chicken. Ingredients are marinated chicken wings and Korean fried chicken hot sauce. Mix chicken with 1 tablespoon flour. Because the chicken wings have been marinated overnight, I did not add salt, pepper, and salt to the flour. If your chicken has not been marinated, suggest you may add seasoning into flour for better tastes. Drizzle and mix with cooking oil. Drizzle cooking oil on baking pan too. Arrange chicken wings nicely into baking pan and ready for air fryer. Air fryer at 180 degree for 20 minutes. Flip chicken at 10 minutes. Then air fryer at 200 degree for 5 minutes. Fried chicken is done. Smells so good. Mix Korean fried chicken hot sauce and mix well. Optional to sprinkle white sesame on chicken. Hot, delicious Korean-style fried chicken with soy sauce is ready to be eaten. It's really simple to make and you can easily make it at home. And the price is affordable, so you can make it at home whenever you want. This Korean hot sauce tastes good, and the level of spiciness is 3 stars. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I share new simple recipes every day. If you like simple cooking and happy eating like me, then you have come to the right channel. Follow me now. Otherwise, you may not find me if you accidentally delete it. After accumulating 365 recipes a year, you can cook every dish differently in a year. An air fryer requires little to no oil, making it a much healthier alternative to deep frying. Studies also suggest that convection heat can preserve certain nutrients during the cooking process, including vitamin C as well as protective plant compounds called polyphenols. Eating chicken can help to build stronger muscles and promote healthier bones, decreasing the risk of injuries and diseases such as osteoporosis. Research suggests that 25–30 grams of protein per meal can help us feel more full. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.